Leading up to the Labor Day holiday, Governor Hutchinson and Secretary of Health Dr. Jose Ramiro warned the public of following COVID guidelines, or we could see a possible increase in cases. Now here we are 2 weeks later, and we are seeing a daily increase. But could it all be attributed to Labor Day? One physician says, think again.
It may still be a little bit early for to see the full impact of Labor Day weekend. I would say probably a good portion of that is more related to schools resuming, which was about a week earlier or even longer than that. You know, it normally takes 2 to 4 weeks to really see the full impact of a change.
Dr. Holder says the best way to measure out the impact from the coronavirus in the state is to look at the month's average instead of the daily count. She says there will be days when cases will be high and low. With school resuming and the holiday weekend, she wouldn't be surprised to see more daily case increases. With Arkansas being added to the White House coronavirus task force list with states with rising cases, Dr. Holder says this is a reminder to continue to take precautions.
We really do need to keep taking this seriously and doing all the things that we know that we should do. So, you know, the masking, the distancing, you know, not going out when you're sick, you know, it's really important to continue doing those things.
Arkansas also marked a milestone this week. Over 1,000 deaths in the state credited to the coronavirus, with over 70% of our COVID-related deaths in the state being ages 65 years and older. Dr. Holder says that the death toll is another grim reminder to us all to not only protect ourselves, but those around us.
The things they need to do to protect themselves, you know, avoiding large groups, really avoiding going out, unfortunately, as much as they can. But it's really important too for those that aren't in that age group. When you're visiting a family member that's over 65 years of age, it's incredibly important to be diligent with mask wearing and hand hygiene.
Now, Dr. Holder says with a big portion of our new cases being in young adults, she hopes that will cause a decrease in the amount of deaths in the state related to COVID. For Northeast Arkansas News, I am Sarah Doan in Jonesboro.